All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:43 on the 26th of May, 2021, and this is my morning strategy session. We have HXL up this morning. So this thing has traded fairly light. It's just shy of 6,000 shares traded this morning pre-market with a 10% bump up. It's not very heavy trading pre-market. I don't like them when they trade really heavy, but I also don't like them when they trade really light. I mean, this is less than 10,000 shares traded, and on a stock that has 83 million shares outstanding. So when a small number of trades push a stock up really high like this, I'm fairly suspicious of it. So I have one entry here at $57.98. We'll see how it goes. It's actually a pretty quiet morning this morning. The only other thing, so HXL is now traded just shy of 7,000 shares. So only 7,000 shares out of 83 million outstanding has created this run up pre-market. I imagine that there's going to be some profit taking here at the open. We'll see. And so I only have one number on it. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It actually set off my alarm. Replace that alarm there. And actually, when I came in, the level two level two is there was a $20 spread on the level two. The bid was at roughly $40, and the ask was at just shy of $60. So now it's tightened up. Now the bid is at $57.81, and the ask is at $60.53. So yeah, we'll see what happens with it. Beyond Meat is picking up again. This is one that I had it on watch. I don't think I traded it. It didn't come down to my levels a couple of days ago. You can see here, I had levels on this day right here on the 24th of May, but I didn't trade it. It didn't come into my levels. So today, it's popping up pre-market. And I have levels on it this time, 131 even, 130.3, and 129.62. So I'll probably average in across the entire range, and at any point that it gives me a 1 to 1.5% move to the upside, I'll take profits. Then VTNR, this is Vertex Energy Incorporated. The news on this one is that they acquired Shell's Mobile, Alabama refinery. It's interesting to see a small cap buy an asset off of a large cap. So it's caught a bid pre-market right now. It's up 90.45%. It's going to be a momentum trade, so we'll see how it acts after it opens. If it gives a momentum setup, then I will play it. And that's all that's on watch. So there's the only three that I have on watch this morning. There's nothing else I see on the scanners that it's really worth looking at. There's a possibility of, I'll put MOXC up here. Let's go to MOXC here real quick. This one might be interesting. It has a 15 million share float. Let's take a look at the outstanding here. Outstanding, it has looks like 19 million shares outstanding with a 15 million share float. I do like the smaller float, and it has 650,000 shares traded this morning. MOXC might be more interesting than VTNR. We'll see. And so then the broader market, let's take a look at what's going on with the SPY and with the VIX. All right, the VIX is back down below the gap there. That's nice. If the VIX comes up to the gap here at 18.21 and gets rejected, I'd like to see that and put some longs on for the SPY calls. As of right now, if it opened up this moment, it would be up 0.01% at 419.12. So I'm bullish the S&P, and the reason that I'm bullish the S&P is because of quantitative easing, low rates. You know, we're in quad 2, which means we're still in quad 2, which means GDP is growing and CPI inflation is also growing. That's positive for market assets, market equities. All right, everybody, that is the morning strategy session. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.